About 69% of teachers use PPT to teach in their classrooms. And according to the research, it takes a minimum of 2 hours to prepare a 10-minute presentation. But this just becomes super easy with BrightClass, an AI-powered application that functions as a smart assistant for teachers. Teachers need to just input the topic name, grade level, and desired outcome. That's all. The AI assistant in BrightClass takes care of the rest. It generates comprehensive lesson plans, lessons with multimedia, and quizzes in less than a minute. Teachers can save 95% of their time preparing PPTs with the BrightClass application. Teachers can get editable PPTs directly from these generated lessons, including all necessary elements like text, engaging multimedia, and interactive quizzes. The BrightClass application can run on laptops and personal devices, increasing the flexibility for teachers. Teachers can easily refine the generated PPTs from anywhere and anytime. With its AI, BrightClass can create magical teaching and learning experiences in smart classrooms equipped with digital boards. Teachers can give more time to individual students and contribute to their academic growth.